Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we are going to start problem number 31, which is problem number 31 part A, which says three charges are situated at the corners of square as shown in figure. How much work does it take to bring in another charge plus q from far away and place it in the fourth corner? So let me show you the figure. Figure is this one. Alright, so it is a square and we need to place the fourth charge here and we need to calculate how much work is done. Alright, so I have already drawn the figure. First of all, we have four charges, minus q, plus q, minus q and plus q. We need to place it here. Alright, at number 2, or I have marked it as number 2, but we need to place this charge. It is fourth charge, you must remember it. Alright, I have marked the place as number 2 by mistake. Alright, so work done on 2 due to 1. Work done on 2 due to 1 will be k q1 upon r12. Alright, into q2. Alright, similarly due to charge number 3 on 2 due to 3 will be k q2 q3 upon r32. Alright, for q due to work done on 4 due to work done on 2 due to 4 will be k q2 q4 upon r42. Let us add all these. Total net work done will be W21 plus W23 plus W24. So let us take k outside. What is q1? Q1 is minus q and q2 is plus q. Alright, minus q and plus q, and r12 will be a here plus 23. What is 23? Plus q and minus q. Alright, plus what, and the distance is, this distance is root 2a. Alright, you all know that q into q and upon root 2a. Let me just focus. Yes, so total work done we get k minus 2 q square upon a plus q square upon root 2a. Taking common, work done will be k q square upon a minus 2 plus 1 upon under root 2. This will be the net work done to bring the plus q charge at the fourth corner of a square. Alright, now let us talk about part number B. So part number B says how much work does it take to assemble the whole configuration of 4 charges. Alright, so for part number B we have a trick here. We have a square and minus q plus q minus q plus q. He is saying how much work does it take to assemble the whole configuration of 4 charges. So as we have two types of charges here, so that's why we'll use 4. We'll use permutation combination here, and two types of charges, so 4c2, which is 6. So we will have 6 type of combination here. Let me draw it. One combination is this one, another is this one is this one. Alright, one is this one, and the other two are along diagonals. Alright, so we have total 6 combinations. So total work done will be k. I am writing k q1 q2 upon r12 plus q2 q3 upon r23 plus q3 q4 upon r34 plus q4 q1 upon r41 plus q1 q3 upon r13 plus q2 2q4 upon r24. Alright, so we have, let me just focus, yes, work done as k, what is q1 minus q square upon a plus similarly minus q square upon a plus minus q square upon a plus minus q square upon a plus 2q square upon root 2a. I hope you got that why I have written 2, because the diagonals are minus minus plus and plus. We got all the plus sign here. Alright, so net work done will be k minus 4q square upon a plus 2q square upon root 2a. So on solving further, we get work done as k upon a q square, and taking 2 common, minus 2 plus 1 upon under root 2. This will be done net work done in assembling the whole configuration of 4 charges. Alright, now let us, oh, the question is over. So that's all for today. See you next time.